Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to take a look at the Walmart release of the Cult Racers. And there are 5 cars in the set, and let's give them a look. All right, number 1 is the 2008 Ford Focus. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to take a look at the Walmart release of the Cult Racers. And there are 5 cars in the set, and let's give them a look. All right, number 1 is the 2008 Ford Focus. And that's done in a nice red enamel. It's got very, very dark windows on it. Looks like it's got a black interior. The tampos on the hood are black and white, also up on the roof. Same thing on the side, got black and white tampos, got a 08 in big black letters on the side. The base is black plastic, and the wheels are blacked out PR5s, big ones in the back, little ones in the front, and they have a small white wall on them also. And that is about it for this guy. This is the 2008 Ford Focus. Number 2 is the Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo RS KDR 30. Man, that's a mouthful. This is done in a just a regular plain white enamel. The interior is black. Windows have a little light tint to them. Maybe a little bit of blue tint. I don't know. I really can't see it that well. But yeah, I got a little bit of tint to them. As I said, the interior is black. The tampos on the side are number 83 on the door. It's got some black behind the door, and it's got a little bit of logo on the front fender, a little bit lower, right behind the front wheel. The rear taillights are done up really nice. Yeah, on the other one there, on the Ford, there's nothing done on the taillights. But the taillights are done really nice on this. License plate is done. The spoiler painted black. The wheels are all small chrome BBS wire wheels. The base is black plastic. Also, the front grille is black plastic. Front grille, bumper, valance, all that. And the rear bumper also. And that is it. That is number 2. The Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo RS KDR 30. Number 3 is a Volkswagen Golf MK2, and that is done in a metallic olive, and the tampos on the hood are a light green, black. You got a white square with black number 22 in it. The interior is black. Windows, they're tinted pretty good on this. The tampos on the side, pretty much the same as the hood. It's got a white square with a black 22 in it on the door, a light green stripe, a black stripe, and some white sponsor decals also. The base is black plastic, which goes with the front bumper, the front grille, and the rear bumper. Wheels are all small chrome BBS wire wheels. And that is it for this one. Number 3, the Volkswagen Golf MK2. Number 4 is the 88 Honda CRX. And that is done in black enamel. Has a tampo up on top of the windshield. Looks like white and red. The front headlights are done. They're painted. The emblem in the center of the hood is done. The marker lights on the side are also done. Taillights are done really, really nice on this. There's a Honda logo up on the back. But this looks really, really cool. The wheels are blacked out 5 spokes, small ones, all the way around. Base is black plastic, which goes with the front lower valance. And looks like it might have a splitter on it, or just maybe a little spoiler. and the rear bumper also. And that is the 88 Honda CRX. Number 5, last one in the bunch. And you know my granddaughter's going to snag this because it is pink. And that's about it. Boy, the only tampos on the side are a white tampo with an outlined 86. It's got a Hot Wheel logo on the front fender behind the wheel. The headlights are done. The logo on the center of the nose is done. Interior is black. The windows are very, very dark smoked on this one. Nothing on the taillights. The wheels are all small gray painted 10 spokes all the way around. Has a black plastic base, and that is it. Really not much tampo on this one here. And this is the Scion FRS. And that is pretty cool. I know, like I said, my granddaughter is going to snag this one for sure. So that is it. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Always appreciate you guys coming by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And of course, please be kind to one another. And don't forget, we have some of our merch, as people call it, merchandise. You can now get the official Mike Zarnock Hot Wheels coloring book. You can get that from Fireball Publishing on Etsy and from Amazon. And also our new t-shirts, you can get those at mikezarnock.com. So until we see you right here next time at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.